Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Today it's gonna be on and popping, man. Today we are talking about Santia deck, man. We ain't doing no Air Force One. We not doing a Adidas, man. This girl got her own shoe, and when I say this girl got her own shoe, she got her own shoe.
How they feel?
I feel faster already.
Y'all know he gotta be extra.
I see everything there.
Yeah, he's there.
For sure. Dame el otro. Dile que dame el otro una vez.
The main thing for me is women empowerment, because there's not a lot of women doing it. As a woman playing a man's sport, you know, you get a lot of respect from both genders, and I think that I'm just putting women on the map because it's something that they think we can't do, and I'm kind of proving them wrong. So I like being a unicorn in everything that I do. My favorite running backs, number one is always going to be Barry Sanders. That's probably the one I watch the most. I try to mimic the most, just because he's so shifty, he's small but he's powerful. Just what he does on the field, I haven't seen any other running back do to this day. I do think Le'Veon is also very shifty.
Man, we're about to put Barry Sanders on this Toronto shoe. Let's go.
It honestly feels surreal that I just became the highest paid female football player in history, and I just signed a multi-million-dollar deal with the WFLA. It's it's unbelievable. I'm still trying to take everything in.
made headlines for being the first athlete to sign a multi-million-dollar contract with the new Women's Football League Association. So would you like to meet her maybe, or? She's known as the queen of abs, like myself. To her 400,000 social media followers, please welcome Santia Deck, y'all! You are gorgeous, girl!
Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh, you're crying! Baby! Oh my gosh! I can't.
Hey, he customized them.
The first customized shoe of Tronus. And who is it? Oh, I didn't see it. You dropped the box and everything. Santia, you gotta put them on.
You guys too. There you go.
They got the little horns.
Yeah, take the horn out.
It's been crazy.
Wow. Very cool.
Roy Elliott.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I appreciate it. Yes.
Wow.
Very dope. Yeah. They walk. Y'all see these? Y'all see the other side?
Oh, no. This one is our favorite football player.
There we go.
Man, we did it. Both shoes was delivered and the videos, just like I told you. Man, listen, we get ready to get back into it next week with the Miami Dolphins. Man, that girl has definitely been waiting. I know she's excited. Man, we getting ready to get into it. Listen, like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel, man. We are growing. Listen, if y'all want to get to that 200 mark and get ready for that next shoe giveaway, go ahead and subscribe now. Also, man, be sure and check every affiliate link down below just to check out some of the gear that I'm using. Man, listen, I am tired, but I still gotta edit these videos. Man, I am gone.